If you like K-pop and you like crochet, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, I have created a Pinterest board with all of the photos that I use in this video for your convenience. We'll start with clothes because that's kind of the most obvious. You can try to make something that an idol wore. I made Bumgyu's V-Live birthday hat, little bunny, and I just got yarn to make Taehyun's freeze sweater. Oh, I want to try to knit this one though. I don't know how to knit. That might be an issue. And by just bought, I mean I bought the yarn over a month ago and still have yet to begin the project. Kepler also has a ton of crochet in their Up music video. So does Stacy with Beautiful Monster, and then of course Blackpink in Ice Cream. And I know for a fact that there's a lot of tutorials on the ice cream outfit, so you can just search that up on YouTube. Aside from doing something that they actually wore, you can make clothes inspired by the artists. I just finished making this blue hour hat, which I designed by taking elements from none other than the most aesthetically pleasing album ever. It's alright. The hat, not the album. I also made this sweater vest, which is very much based off of clips of Bumgyu. Got the very famous etc. etc. I love this because you can get super creative. I'm wanting to do a Subin cardigan next, and I think that will be super adorable. Next category is amigurumi. You can make the idols themselves, which seems like very difficult. Props to you if you decide to do so. Little like fat, like round chibi versions would be cute and probably easier. A more realistic thing would be to make the animals that represent the idols, because that's a thing that all groups have, right? Which is kind of weird when you think about it, but also really smart in terms of merch and marketing, because when I see a penguin, I think Hyuka. And then it's like, oh, Unikai, oh, TXT, oh, I should listen to some of their music. Oh, while I'm at it, let me buy an album. I got excited when I seen this. I was like, oh my gosh, is there a Moa on this team? But then I realized they were missing a bear and a squirrel, and Yeonjun's on there twice, so it's OT5 or nothing. Fake Moa. You can also make light sticks, which is great because buying a light stick for every group that you stan it's a lot. It is a lot. I am currently, and don't judge me, but I'm making a Moa light stick that is going to be probably taller than me. Why? Because I can. I'm gonna keep this here. This is comfy. You can use all these amigurumis as decorations. You can make little ones for keychains or plushies, obviously. Speaking of decor, that is the next category. You can make wall hangings. I also made blue hour wall hangings. Yes, I'm obsessed. What do you want from me? My eyes twitching. You can make coasters. Again, this can be the members' animals. It can be light sticks, like the light part of the light sticks, whatever makes more sense. Elements of their albums and or concepts. For instance, if I were to make blue hour coasters, I would make a smiley face, a clock with the hands pointed at 5:53, the album art, a ghost, etc, etc. I could go on. I could go on. Clouds, gummy bears, that's literally all that I made. So you take my advice, you make a bunch of coasters, and then you realize that you are only one person with not very many friends to invite over, and you think, do I need 20 coasters? Well, this is for you. You can turn your coasters into a garland. So it's basically the same thing. Make whatever you want and then string, twine, chain a long thing with yarn, and then do the thing, and you got a garland to put up on your wall. You can make a poof. That's probably what my Moa bong is gonna end up being. I am going to make the full Moa bong just to get the full effect, but then I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, so I may as well take the bottom part off and just use this as a nice poof to sit on. A rug. Now, it's not crochet, but I punch needled this butterfly that is from the Happy Fools song poster, and basically I just wanted to show it off. It looks so nice and I'm proud of it. But you could totally crochet a rug. Using a grid pattern would be a great idea for a crochet rug, I think. Wouldn't look as good as this, but cushion covers. I could basically just use my Bomki squares and then make a cushion cover, a blanket. Literally anything you can make with granny squares. You can make a little personality idol personality version. I'm not even breathing right now. I don't know. Too excited. Speaking of cushions, I really want to make this puff flower crochet cushion, but in Temptation colors because I love Temptation and I think that would look real nice. I also seen a crochet steering wheel. You can make that K-pop. I don't own a car. So next category is miscellaneous miscellaneous slash, oh my goodness, miscellaneous slash, I got bored of categorizing things, so I'm just gonna put everything else here. Of course, I was going to do a PC holder. I made this morning. This is my first attempt. I didn't follow a pattern. It looks pretty messy, but I made a bunny. For who? You already know. I don't have protectors on any of my photo cards. Disclaimer. Do not come for me though, because they are on the way as we speak. That is a lie, but they're in my cart. That is also a lie, but I literally, this is plugged in, I can't. I have an Amazon tab open, ready to research and purchase some. So just know, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands right now. Currently washing my hands. Washing them real good. Let me dry these real nice. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, I got my least favorite Subin PC to test this out with. And you know that if this is my least favorite, I've got some good ones. I should wait for the protector, shouldn't I? That's a good idea. Let's do that. Let's put Subin back safely in the box. Okay. Anyway, where were we? Light stick covers, crochet, like you do a little bunny, you could do little, literally anything. I don't even want to think about the trial and error that goes into putting, no. Also, can we just appreciate the beauty that this is so wow. Wow, I will never not regret buying this version. If someone, like, is it available still? I can't. Luckily, depending on the light stick, there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube. Hopefully in your language. I looked up Moa Bong crochet cover, and if you need a cover for your bong bong, Pinterest has got you covered. Good to know. Bags, backpacks, fanny packs. I want to make a cute little backpack. Like this one that I have, only crochet and K-pop. Because like if you use a little hook with regular size yarn, it gets like pretty stiff and like very much like this kind of, like it's very sturdy. And then if you make straps like that, then you could do little grid patterns through it, which sounds like hell, but it would look really nice. So that made me want to make a backpack. It will probably end up being Blue Hour. I don't even like the color blue, but I'm obsessed with this album. You can also make covers for your laptops, your iPads, plural, apparently, you're rich. And that's all I have. If you have anything else to add, please share it with us in the comments. You can watch another one of my videos if you so choose to do so. Also, let me know who your alt group is. I would ask you to guess who mine is, but thank you for making it to the end! Sorry, I broke the, let's... Bye.